Hello, greetings from everyone present here, from Shelja.
And Utsav. We are about to witness the second day of virtual festival wherein we celebrate dance, music, art and culture not only from India but from different parts of the globe.
We present you Ark Nrutu 2021, a festival of dance and music organized by Tal Group in association with ICCR Gujarat, CIOFF India and Charu Castle Foundation.
Now we shall request Ms. Kritika Shah to say a few words and start the festival.
Good evening, friends. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome the enthusiastic participants and the amazing audience across the globe on the second day of International Virtual Festival 2021 Ark Nrutu. After the grand gala success of this event, today we are going to have 10 performances of classical dances, folk dances and music. I have a great pleasure to invite the dignitaries of today's function for lightening of the lamp. So, may I request Honorable Shri MLA Mr. Harsh Sanghvi to light the lamp to make this event the start.
Srimati Reena Rawal and Srimati Neela Rawal are one of those unsung heroes in the field of Indian classical dance who have so many accolades in their crown, from being a Sangeet Visharad and Nritya Alankar to winning Navdeep Award and leading the Felicity Art Academy. A stupendous mother-daughter duo along with Miss Kritika Shah, a devout student, shall be performing an Indian classical sequence to enthrall your senses and take you to the ride beyond your imagination.
शङ्खश्चैकदन्तश्च कपिलो गजकर्णकः लम्बोदरश्च विकटो विघ्ननाशो विनायकः
धूम्रकेतुर्गणाध्यक्षो भालचन्द्रो गजाननः द्वादशैतानि नामानि यः पठेत् शृणुयादपि
विद्यारम्भे विवाहे च प्रवेशे निर्गमे तथा विद्यारम्भे विवाहे च प्रवेशे निर्गमे तथा सङ्ग्रामे सङ्कटे चैव विघ्नस्तस्य न जायते
श्रौं श्रीं श्रौं नमः शिवाय श्रीं श्रौं नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय श्रीं श्रौं त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात् ॐ तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्र
प्रथमं शैलपुत्रीति द्वितीयं ब्रह्मचारिणी तृतीयं चन्द्रघण्टेति कुष्माण्डेति चतुर्थकम् पञ्चमं स्कन्दमातेति षष्ठं कात्यायनीति च सप्तमं कालरात्रिश्च महागौरीति नवमं सिद्धिदात्री च नवदुर्गा प्रकीर्तिता उक्तानि तानि नामानि ब्रह्मणैव महात्मना ब्रह्मणैव महात्मना ब्रह्मणैव महात्मना
A rare and perfect synergy comes when two perfect souls dances their hearts out to promote the culture that is closest to their hearts. Guru Sri Bhaskar and Guru Radha Bhaskar Menon as a couple who have been given the title of Nritya Jyoti by Swami Sri Sivananda, founder of Divine Life Society, in appreciation for the divine dance performance to count one of the many awards, started Mudra School of Indian Classical Dancers with a hope and earnestness to bring Indian classical dances to every individual who had inclination, interest, and passion for the art, and should not be restricted and associated with only certain class of people of Gujarat. Today, we shall be honored to see them perform Kathakali, a story play genre of art and a Hindu performance art in the Malayalam speaking southwestern region of Kerala.
കാണി നേരം വൈകതേ നീ കാണി നേരം വൈകാതെ നീ കാമ കേളി ചെയ്തിടുക കാമ കേളി ചെയ്തിടുക കാമ കേളി താ കാണി നേരം വൈകാതെ സംഗ്രഹ ഇന്നോ ഞാദാര സംഗ്രഹ ഇന്നോ ഞാദാര നിയോഗം കൂടാതെ നിയോഗം കൂടാതെ മാറി മണി ചെയ്യുക മാറി മണി ചെയ്യുക ഇല്ല നാക നിദംബിനി നാഗ ബാലികേ സഹിക്കാവതല്ലേ നൂനം സഹിക്ക ആവതല്ലേ നൂനം സഹിക്ക ആവതല്ലേ നൂനം സഹിക്ക ആവതല്ലേ നൂനം സഹിക്ക ആവതല്ലേ നാളിക ആയദക്ഷ നാളിക എത്രയും എത്രയും കർണ കഠോരം എത്രയും കർണ കഠോരം അത്ര നിൻമൊഴികളെല്ലാം അത്ര നിൻമൊഴികളെല്ലാം ചിത്രം എന്നേ പറയാവൂ ചിത്രം എന്നേ പറയാവൂ കുത്രാപി നീ പോക എടി കുത്രാപി നീ പോക നിന്നെ കൊണ്ടുപോവതിനായി വന്നതും ഞാൻ ഇന്നു നിന്നെ കൊണ്ടുപോവതിനായി വന്നതും ഞാൻ ഇന്നു ധന്യ നിന്നെ പിരിഞ്ഞുടൻ പോകയില്ല കാണ്ട ധന്യ നിന്നെ പിരിഞ്ഞുടൻ
Kalashri Dr. Aishwarya Warrier is a Mohiniyattam dancer, arts educator, researcher, choreographer, and filmmaker and has performed in 13 states, 20 cities across India, and in 10 countries abroad. She has been trained in 2 styles of Bharatanatyam and Mohiniyattam under the eminent gurus. One of her recent performances was a high-level diplomatic program to celebrate 50 years of Indo-Bhutan friendship at the Indian Embassy Bhutan program sponsored by ICCR India. Dr. Warrier is currently the Regional Director, Indira Gandhi National Centre of the Arts, autonomous body under Ministry of Culture, Government of India, Regional Centre, Vadodara.
नायक तया तृतीयते दृष्टिधरा दलित हेमाम्बुज रुचि तृतीयते दृष्टिधरा दलित हेमाम्बुज रुचि समादत्ते तन्द्या दिवस निशयोर अंतर्चरी समादत्ते तन्द्या दिवस निशयोर अंतर्चरी समादत्ते तन्द्या दिवसा समादत्ते तन्द्या दिवस निशयोर अंतर्चरी समादत्ते तन्द्या दिवस 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 निशयो निशयो अंतर्चरी समादत्ते तन्द्या दिवस निशयो अंतर्चरी
तित्तक 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 tag tag ti tiku tag tiku tag tiku tag tiku tag 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 tiku tag tag ti tag 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 tiku tag tiku tag tiku tag tiku tag 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 tiku tag tag taga taga digu taga taga digu taga tittei dimrudattei tittei dimrudei tittei dimrudattei Tripura Sundari Lalitambike Abhaya Varadakarini Tripura Sundari Lalitambike अभयवरदकारिणी परम शिव शङ्करी शिवशङ्करी वशङ्करी शङ्करी परम शिव शङ्करी शिवशङ्करी वशङ्करी शङ्करी अम्मे तव चरण नलिन परिचरणमे आनन्दं परमानन्दम् अम्मे तव चरण नलिन परिचरणमे आनन्दं परमानन्दम् आनन्दम् अम्मे Taga taga dimi taga tattalangu taga di dingina taga dingina taga dom 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 tarigada tarigada dimi taga taga dimi taga tattalangu taga di dingina taga dingina taga dom 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 tarigada tarigada 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 dom
Srimati Lajja Sambanath, trained under the leading visionary of Kathak, Padma Bhushan Kumudini Lakhia, believes in exploring dance as a flexible medium to bridge sensitivities with sensibilities, eventually leading towards a progression of minds and of arts. Her UGC awarded research fellowship titled Contemporary Sensibilities vis-a-vis the Heritage of Kathak was completed under Padma Bhushan Kumudini Lakhia, a postgraduate gold medalist in performing arts Kathak from MS University. She has a strong training in Jaipur Gharana under late Pandit Sundarlal Gangani, Pandit Harish Gangani and Pandit Jagdish Gangani. Fundacao GDA, Portugal, Europe awarded her a research scholarship to study contemporary dance at Companhia Olga Rores.
Tal group presents you Garba. Garba, a form of dance which originates from the state of Gujarat in India. The name is derived from the Sanskrit term Garbh, meaning womb, and Deep, meaning a small earthenware lamp. Many traditional Garbas are performed around centrally lit lamp or a picture of statue of goddess Shakti. Traditionally, it is performed during the 9-day Hindu festival called the Navratri. Either the lamp or an image of the goddess Durga is placed in the middle of the concentric rings as the object of veneration.
Sombrerito, Spanish for the small drum. With a name like this, one can anticipate rhythmic infused style of dancing, full of culture and drama. folkloric ballet Ritmo e Raise Penaminas will be seen showcasing their unique culture on our platform tonight.
Estoy cansado de vivir solo, yo quiero una mujer para llamar mía. Estoy cansado de vivir solo, yo quiero una mujer para llamar mía. Yo quiero una mujer que sepa cocinar, que sabe lavar y sabe planchar. Y cuando vengo del trabajo, me besa y me llama papacito. Me gusta bastante cariño, que me besa y me trata como un niño. No quiero mujer muy grosera, no quiero mujer callejera. No quiero mujer que sale a pachanguear y nunca se encuentra en mi hogar. Porque cuando vengo del trabajo, mi comida tengo que prepararlo yo.
Not to know nobody can tell who started the fire in San Miguel, cause it was what a public misery. The whole San Miguel upon the jump. Better than every Dorothy. The fire is not mysteriously. Ha ha ha. An old lady jump and shout, call the bombero to put this fire out. Stop in January. One day around 2:30. When the whistle began to blow, all of the hill coming out the mouth. Ha 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 ha. An old lady jump and shout, call the bombero to put this fire out. Sometimes was a Chinese man, sometimes was a West Indian. Say what the West Indian say was the ghost of the mouth and come back and burn the land. Ha ha ha. An old lady jump and shout, call the bombero to put this fire out. Hey mama, just to call the bombero. Bring it fire loud. Say la 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 la. An old lady jump and shout, call the bombero to put this fire out. Hey, mama, the public misery. Mama, let me guarantee. Fire is not mysteriously. La, 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 An old lady jump and shout, call the bombero to put this fire out. Fire!
Rajashri Smart, Binita Pandya, Sujata Desai, Ojas Desai, and Alpa Desai shall be next showcasing the artworks by the artists of Surat post-COVID show named Urja 2021 from Vanita Art Gallery, Surat, India.
Welcome to Vanita Art Gallery. The term Indian art manifests India's vibrant artistic legacy, which is primarily a result of a variety of cultural influences. Vanita Vishram, whose name is synonymous with women empowerment, established Vanita Art Gallery in 2019 with the objective of promoting and nurturing Indian art on one hand and providing a platform to the seasoned and budding artists on the other. The shows hosted by Vanita Art Gallery have become hallmarks and are extremely popular amongst the artists and the connoisseurs of art. Post-COVID, one of the recent shows organized by Vanita Art Gallery named Urja 2021 justified itself by spreading Urja, the much needed energy to revive all art-related activities in the city. The artworks displayed are a cross-section of visual fine art practices exercised in Surat today. A few outstanding works of art are displayed here. This painting is by the artist Prachi Advani. It is entitled as The Untold Stories. This series is a throwback of the childhood feelings and emotions experienced while wandering aimlessly on a vehicle. The rustic effect exhibited in this painting has now become a matter of history in the digital era. This painting is by artist Drashti Kalathia. It is entitled as Cloud 2. Climate change is the biggest crisis humanity has ever faced. The artist as if wishes to cut strings of rain literally, forcing it to stop. This painting is by the artist Divyesh Bagdawala. The artist wants to convey a message related to safety. Man, if not controlled, would live life in an unruly manner, and that is evident in the matter of traffic rules violation. A jockey riding a horse in the race course signifies controlled speed in the race of life. This painting is by the artist Monda Dalal. It is entitled as Life at a Tea Stall. Tea stall is a place thronged by tea lovers. It becomes a meeting ground of diversified people who love to voice their opinions on a range of subjects like sports, economics, politics, social issues, weather, etc., and many more. This painting is by the artist Jaideep Kotadia. It is entitled as Sculptors. Contradicting the statement of Aristotle that animals can't laugh, the artist here depicts not just humor but emotions like anxiety, fear, and suffering. His creatures in ceramics mime the sublime emotional conflicts that plague human-animal interaction and underscore human bestiality. This painting is by the artist Rajarshi Smart. The artist here explores the chosen medium of printmaking with an approach and attitude of a painter and thereby achieves a rare harmony and balance. Strong presence of a human figure tends to symbolize the class. It may become a metaphor of existence, or it may look like an episode from a continued humorous narration. This painting is by the artist Naishad Jani. It is entitled as Historiography. Being an art historian, the artist sees things in the context of historicity. This series depicts how Gandhi's iconography changes with the passage of time, especially in urban landscape. The unconventional representation of the perception of historical images in the context of urban interventions rejects traditional harmony and hierarchy. The idea of aesthetics has gone for a roller coaster ride since the advent of urbanization, which ultimately leads to the deconstruction of historiography and the related perceptions. This painting is by Abhishek Mandala. Here, the artist has tried to examine how humans classify and categorize the world around them, such as man-made grids appear as natural horizons. Some forms are functional and some are decorative. In this particular group of work, a simple space and color represents complexity, and the common usual space becomes uncommon. Preservation and sustenance of art in any form is also the conservation of the most beautiful and the constructive side of human civilization. Vanita Art Gallery takes pride and feels privileged in contributing, however marginally, to this process of artistic salvation. Thank you.
Mehendi, also known as temporary tattoo globally, is an art known to many, loved by most of the females. An application made on happy occasions by female is also one of the shringar for women in India. We have a renowned Mehendi artist, Miss Nimisha Parekh, the co-founder and chief creative director of Mehendi Culture LLP, who has smitten the female sense by her intrinsic designs and a stellar Mehendi coach and instructor in USA and Canada, shall be sharing some of her work tonight with us on this global platform.
Namaste, this is Nimisha from Mehendi Culture. Mehendi Culture is a unique social enterprise working for women, helping them through Mehendi art. Mehendi is known as henna across the world, and of course there are many names like Mehendi, henna, henna and so on. So Mehendi has been used, it is seen as research that it has been used by Lord Krishna to Radhaji on her feet as Mehendi, and that too across like 5,000 plus years, and it is so deep rooted as a culture of India. And we as Mehendi Culture, a company which is promoting Indian culture through Mehendi, and it is our honest effort that we try to bring the beauty and the roots of India to across the globe. And that is why as a Mehendi Culture we promoted Indian art from like Wadli, Sikku Kolam, Madhubani and so on to the henna conferences across the globe. We launch Wadli henna art, which you can see I have done on the wall. This Wadli art basically used to happen in the caves, and it's again a so old art that it used to communicate some stories, and that is why it was used in cave arts. So of course after that people have tried on clothes, walls and so on, but we decided to bring in henna, in Mehendi, and that too henna has that property to beautify the women body, and it has some medicational remedies which is scientifically proven that helps to cool down our system of the body. So of course there are so many benefits of henna, but today I would really love to share some of the expertise of our art forms which we launched in US in 2013 as a Wadli art form, which I shared recently, which I have done on the wall. Let me share you some small piece of art which will be on the skin, which will be on the hand, and that too with using of henna cone. So this cone is of course mainly fresh with henna powder, and we make it on the skin, and it is believed that auspicious occasions of any family in India generally has to have mehndi. Weddings will definitely, weddings will definitely have to have a start with the beautiful and pious art form of mehndi. So, as this is the festival of culture which I want to share as the form of dance, so I am also depicting a story or a figure, human figure, in the form of sign language called folk art of Varli. So there are many different types of designs you can find globally. Every henna artist, mehndi artist will have their own way of creating their own style. We as mehndi culture try to stick more with the Indian art forms, but of course human figures or Arabic kind of designs which has more of floral or bold leaves and so on. Indian pattern basically will have some minute details of lines, vines, hums, and some minute patterns. So this is how a Varli figure can be made, and this is with the use of henna, and this is something, a celebration, and I'm so happy and so grateful and so thankful that you all took time to be with us today and have some bit of idea how mehndi and the culture can be spread throughout the world. Thank you.
As a classical trained player, Hiren Chate's musical passion has been influenced by the Punjab, Delhi and Ajarda Gharana. Whilst deepening his understanding and practice of these styles, Hiren Chate is energized about drawing upon a range of musical genres to create new sounds and musical repertoire. His musical work and experience ranges from teaching individuals and groups, practicing the authentic approach to Indian music, collaborating with Eastern and Western musicians for musical and theatrical productions, composing music for dance productions and accompanying Kathak and contemporary dances. He also runs his own company called Beat of a Drum, through which he does events, lectures on music and maths, teaches online to lots of students in UK, US and Canada. He started a concept called Baithak in Ahmedabad, where he invites artists to perform and showcase their art form to connoisseurs of music.
Miss Himani Panwala from India is a music teacher by profession, has been running her own music academy since past 15 years and have been awarded on national level and worked in various fields of art, dance and music. Her only goal is to spread happiness all over the globe through her music, and we shall witness the same tonight.
श्याम तेरी बंसी पुकारे राधा लोग करे मीरा को यूं बदनाम सावरे की बंसी को बजने से काम सावरे की मीरा का भी श्याम।
Namaste, this is Himali. Happy Janmashtami to all of you. Thank you for watching.
Mausam and Malka Mehta, the twin sisters from Gujarat, India, fondly known as the Junior Taniriri in Nagar community, has inherited their affinity for music from their father Shri Jagdeep Mehta. They are living in a famous Jagdeep Mehta's heritage home along with their grandparents, parents and brother, and have been getting awards and certificates for singing. Their dream in life is to utilize the God-gifted talent of singing in best way and create a unique identity for themselves.
हे जगदम्बा मातु जो घणी, हे माड़ी जपिए, हे आमे जपिए तिहारो जा, हे माड़ी अखंड तारा दीवा बड़े, हे मातु प्रगट आपो जय माँ। अंबा अचंबा प्रलंबा तेज बंबा जगदंबा आदिवास हेत्व अंबा दशिदिकम्मा वृदाई शकंबा सदंबा शुभमम्मा स्वावलंबा शिवा वेदे तु विदंबा सच्चिदंबा वखणाई निपा व्याघ्रे मंडा अन्न नारायणी नवे खंड मारुतिया उदंड कुदंड जयमा कारिया दानव बंड कारिया गमंड ठंड रोपिया अखंड नाम झंडा रडिया भगत तारण तारण वारण भूमि कारण जगत दुख हारण कुशल मारण असुरली पूरे हर संदहा अखियात रटुबात हजारी की अहोरात उमियानी मंच मात मातंगी उदार समर दिवस रात सिकुतर साक्षात हरो उत्पात रटु हर सदमा આવ્યો બાદ ઝપટક પટ છાજ કાળી રાજ સાંભળ્યો અવાજ આઈ પોકારે સમાજ सिद्धि रखो आज लाज हिंगणा वळेची रवेची नमुना गणेची मात बंधू मळेची नवये खंडी खडेची मंडी पहाडेची डुंगरेची लाखडेची लाखो पाय छोटीले चाणकनेची चामुंड चंडी पाय तू सपाई ओळखाई नित्य कार्यामध्ये कृपाळू बाई तू कने काय कहवाय वारा हे तुडा जगोण गाई भाई भाई वाह बंधू सिंध बाई आई दगाई बेराई त्राहुडेची षटपटी बेलडी सायर टटी तार बावाणी रटी उंबची तरर विजय त्रम जटी जगोडने माथे लटी सती वाणवटी अटपटी कुशकर तजी मन खेलडी तू बात एल पेलडी तू हृदय से लड़ी रण खेलडी कुराट जारी करी डेलडी छोड़ावे भव झेलडी जे प्रभु जी पेलडी मा मेलडी प्रगाट मम्माया मुंबई वाड़ी मुंबा माता मार माड़ी काળી કર કત્તાવાળી ઉજાડી કરાળ ઉજાડીને જાણી મોટા ગજાડી ધજાડી બાળી બહુજાર બાળી વીર જાડી માં પલાળ પાવાકી પાળ કા ડુંગરાળ પંચમાળ કા અતાળ કપતાળ કતાળ કટઆઈ માત ગડી પાળ કબ્ર કુંડ મુંડ માળ કા તારે ગજવાળ ખાતુ કાળ કાતે ભાઈ જેણે ખંભે ટાંગી કોઈ જોગણીને જાચી જોઈ કરે અરે દાસરો